how are you all? Welcome back to our channel. I was not able to post my vlog yesterday because Jia was sick for the few days. Then she recovered and then mom got sick. So our house is in little bit chaos. The weather was very nice today, not raining at all. It was a very lovely Sunday. We came to the terrace and the rooftop lounge is opened at last. So we could not do any outings this week because of this sickness. But since mom was sick, so Papa cooked delicious dishes for us and we enjoyed a lot. Here, Papa is making dinner for us. He is making a spice powder with roasted dried ginger, cloves, cardamom, and cinnamon. The spice powder is ready. Next, he took coriander powder, turmeric powder, red chili powder, garam masala powder, and his special secret masala, and also a little bit hing. This is whole spices, bay leaf, chopped onions, and garlic. These are the paneer cubes. And these are boiled and drained chickpeas. He added a mixture of mustard and refined oil in the kadhai. I don't know why, but he said it brings a better taste. Next, he added the whole spices and the onions and garlic. Sorry, he did not added garlic, he only added onion. It was my mistake. He kept the garlic to be used later. Next, he added the boiled chickpeas. Next, he added the spiced powders. At this point, he added the garlics by grating them. Then he added salt. Next, he added the paneer cubes. He added some water at this point. After frying for some time, he added more water for the gravy. He covered it and cooked for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, the chole paneer dish looks like this. He added a spoonful of ghee for the final touch. And the dish is done. These are some whole spices we made pulao to go with the paneer dish. It's a simple Kaju Kishmish pulao. So, our dinner is ready. This is next morning. Mom made a plain vanilla cake for tea time. Our oven was not working, so we made it in stovetop. And here are some layered parathas for our breakfast. So, this is our breakfast parathas, chole paneer sabzi from last night, and the cake. The cake was so spongy and it was so yum. So, this was all about our today's vlog. If you like our videos, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel.